Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, February 3rd. We continue with the Everyday Mindfulness series, and today we will further explore cultivating concentration. We have already started on this journey with the practice of counting the breath, and this is exactly where we will begin today. And then we will explore a few different ways to build concentration more deeply. Remember, when working with concentration, you may experience something that's called monkey mind. Monkey mind is when the mind is unsettled, jumping around like a monkey swinging from tree to tree. If monkey mind becomes distracting, relentless, open yourself to the thoughts. Although you may start this exercise with the intention of building concentration, give yourself permission to switch to a practice of mindfulness of thoughts. In other words, be kind and patient with yourself. Do what needs to be done today. Enjoy your practice. Take a comfortable position. Take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and soft, completely natural. And simply notice how this natural breath flows through your body and how your body responds to your breath. Now start counting the breaths. Each inhale and exhale is one count. You can go from 1 to 8 and then back to 1 again. Or you can go 1 to 8 and then count backward from 8 to 1. Whatever you want to do. Just focus the attention on the body breathing and bring the mind back every time it wanders. Practice in this way for the next couple of minutes. I will be silent. If you lose the count, just start at 1 again. Begin again. This is the practice. Now let go of the counting, but still stay with the breath. Mindfully watch the breath with your full awareness. And notice if it becomes more difficult for you to watch the breath without the counting. Continue this way for the next minute or so. Again, I'll be silent. Now let go of that and switch to the sensation of hearing. Find a relatively stable noise in your environment. It may be the sound of a nearby street, the humming of electricity or lights, or perhaps the subtle ringing in the ears. Use your hearing as the object of your awareness. And when the mind wanders, come back to the sound. Continue practicing in this way for the next minute or so. Once again, I'll be silent. Now, let go of that. Open your eyes. Find one object on which you can focus your attention. Look at this object with curiosity, with beginner's mind, noticing every detail of it, its outline, its color, its texture, and whatever else you can notice. When other sights, sounds, or thoughts distract you, return to the object you have chosen, and continue in this way for the next minute or so. Once again, I'll be silent to give you the opportunity to connect with your direct experience. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself, with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to explore the different ways you can start bringing more concentration to your daily experiences. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.